Hey, what's going on YouTube? It is your boy, Prosper, and I'm back with another banger, baby, yeah. Let's believe I'm taking another banger for you all. So this one is gonna be a banger. So it's like, hey, okay, as you've seen by the thumbnail and the title too, we're gonna be trying Indian street food for the first time. Like ever since I came in India, I think it's now like two years and some months me being in India, but I haven't tried street food at home. So today, like we are actually in this. I don't know. Yeah, we are here. Just go this year. So like, okay, these people. Okay, so we feel like go in the streets and find the Indian food. I like the street food, which I know like a lot of people say Indian street food is bad, but I want to taste it myself. This gonna be escape from my stomach cause like, hey, you know. So without further ado, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. And if you've already subscribed and you are watching this video, shout out to you. Yeah, but I'm scared for my stomach. I'm scared for it. There are a lot of tons and tons of Indian types of street food, Indian street food. But yeah, it's gonna be scary. But anyways, without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, we are in the street, Indian street. Yeah, so we are in the streets right now, and look for the Indian street food, which they say it's bad and all. So yeah, let's go and see what we can get out. Just be looking around because I don't know where I can find one. So let's go. I'm taking a video. You want me to
Oh yeah, but bro. Yeah. This place, I'm from Zimbabwe. Yeah,
okay.
Very good place.
Yeah, very good place.
India is very good.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Yeah. It's one of my subscribers. Just let him in this video. Shout out to him. Shout out to him. Yeah. So yeah. Punjab speak. Thank you, man. What? Yeah, me. Video, I want to go. This video upload you. Yeah, YouTube channel.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah, you see yourself.
Yeah. Subscriber. You are my brother.
Yeah, you're my brother. Thank you, man.
One pick.
Okay, sure.
It's one pick, bro.
Okay, cool. Oh, yeah, bad cameraman. Bad cameraman, buddy. I go. Yeah, thank you. My ear, brother. Alright, so guys, on I don't know what the. Yeah, you can just show the. I don't even know the name of the food, but we just gonna try it out today. And hey, right, name food to try it. Oh yeah, this is Kolcha. Yeah.
Alright, so later on I then confirmed the real name of the food, and its real name, this guy was actually kidding, its real name was Vada.
Some Indian snack. So you can just show them how he's making it. You can show them. You can. Yeah, egg. Yeah, you can show. Hey man. Hello, man. Good, man. Badia. Oh, jangan man. Yeah, man. Zimbabwe.
Yeah?
Zimbabwe.
Argentina.
Wait.
Argentina.
Bhai, kitna? Kitna? Let. Alright. So guys, yeah, I don't know. It's called G to chai. I don't know. Yeah, actually. So I don't know. Let me just try it. I don't know how it will be tasting, but I'm gonna rate it out of 10, and then after 10. Let's go. It's not only quite nice. Oh, like, I think it's like the potatoes and all. There's some onion and then I think he put some lemon in it. Yeah, but out of 10. Okay, let me check the third bite. Alright, so out of 10. It's full. It's not that good. It's not like it's bad, but it's not that good. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know these guys are disturbing me, but yeah, out of 10 I rate this one. Cool. Not that good. Then we're gonna try, go down the street, then try another one. So yeah. Alright, so guys, I found this, don't know, they call them Pani Puris in India. I don't know what they're living in, but that's the food. So yeah, here's the food. I don't know. I've always wanted to try this out. So I feel like this one. Didn't what? Okay. Let's just pay and then we get the Pani Puris. Okay, they gave us the. It's shooting well. So you can come closer and show them how they make it. Yeah. Okay. 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 Let's try this. Let's try this.
It's about to go down.
I don't think he will come back again.
I don't know. I'm not gonna try this. Okay. Okay. Let me just try it. Okay. For you guys. Okay. Oh, let me get another. Jesus. Guys, please subscribe.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
The blood of Jesus.
Not be juju be that.
Blood of Jesus. What's it with that?
Yeah!
Okay. This one out of 10. No. Alright. It's a 0. I didn't like it. The way it's testing. Let me not say much, but it was not good. Right. Out. Okay. Fine. Water. Don't try this at home. Let's go look for another one. Alright, so guys, right now I'm just gonna try this milkshake. I don't know, it's a mixture of, I don't know, different foods actually. So I don't know how they make them, and yeah, you just see how they make it. So let's just start because we are already here. So yeah. Alright, what one for what the final we take? Final take. What is Vada? Okay, glass kidnap. 40, 50, 40 rupees. Yeah, so loud. Yeah, I hope I'm audible. So that he's making the it's so noisy and yeah. So, yeah, but I hope it's good because like the thing which I actually tried last time, man, it was not good. Yeah, don't try these at home. I beg you, please. It's very bad. You can just show him how he's making it. It can be close as possible so that the people can see. Somehow I'm just explaining for my father. Okay. This one you can just. So guys, bye. You mix what? With what? Mix what? Chicken anar. Oh, okay. Yeah, apple. Spinach. Oh, masami. Orange. Oh, okay. So here was you said you mix. What is this? This spinach with pineapple. Shit. Okay, it's fine. Sorry, don't worry. Okay, it's pineapple and mixed with also the apple and I don't know I don't know. This one. I don't know what you call them, but yeah, this one also. And also mixed with this. So all of these things, yeah, all of you. So this for this, and I hope it's not that bad. So. I'm gonna be honest, Super. Okay, let's try again. I thought it would be good, but guys, I'm so disappointed. Like, I don't know, I haven't tried this before. Hey. To be honest, it's very bad. No, like that bad. Yeah, because it's so healthy, but the taste I wasn't expecting that actually. I'm even wondering if I should finish it because okay, let me just reach here for you guys. So make sure that you subscribe. But that's so bad. Okay, it's not that bad, but I couldn't help myself. But out of 10, now every studio like which I've tried before is less than 10. This one I'm giving it a 4. But nah, I'm done. This one is the last try. I'm done with it. You say 40, right? 40. This one was bad. Yeah. So I got the change, and this is the last video. I'm not gonna take any more. Alright, so guys, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please make sure that you subscribe, like, you comment, you share with your friends, your family, each and everyone. Like you know what you're gonna do. But to be honest, this was the worst experience of. Like I thought it would be different, especially the milkshake actually, but it was tasting different actually. Yeah, maybe it's because like I tried new things actually. I hope I'm not because there are so many cars. So yeah, it is how it is. So I don't want to waste much of the time, guys. Please, but subscribe, guys. Bye for now. We out. We'll see you in the next video. Tashi, we out.